Good morning all of you. Today I am going to discuss about the SAR of calcium channel blockers with you. We can include this SAR in anti-anginal, anti-arrhythmic and also anti-hypertensive SAR. So we will start with the classification of these calcium channel blockers. First class is phenylalkylamine. There are total 3 classes in this classification of calcium channel blockers. This is the first class, phenylalkylamine. Then second one is benzothiazepine. And third class is dihydropyridine class. This is the classification of calcium channel blockers. Examples of these classes: verapamil belongs to the phenylalkylamine class. Then benzothiazepine, its example is diltiazem. And this dihydropyridine class example is nifedipine. We can also write amlodipine, felodipine and nimodipine examples in this dihydropyridine class. Mechanism of action of these all drugs: they act by blocking the calcium channels. Then uses of this calcium channel blocking drugs: they can be used as anti-anginal, anti-arrhythmic and also anti-hypertensive. Some adverse effects of these drugs: dizziness, constipation, hypotension, and nausea. Now for discussing the SAR of calcium channel blockers, first of all we have to draw the structure of nifedipine. For drawing the structure of nifedipine, we have to draw the 1,4-dihydropyridine ring. This is the 1,4-dihydropyridine ring. Now we will give numbering. First position, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth position. At this fourth position or the para position, we have to draw the phenyl nitro group. This is the structure of nifedipine. Now we will move to the actual SAR. This second and sixth position, they are substituted with the methyl group, which shows the agent's duration of action. Methyl group at the second and sixth position shows agent's duration of action. At this third and fifth position, there is a carboxylic group which is protected with the ester functional group. This 1,4-dihydropyridine ring, it is very essential for the activity of the drug. this fourth position should be substituted with the aromatic ring. It should have aromatic substitution along with electron withdrawing groups like chlorine or nitro group. This nifedipine structure has nitro group as an electron withdrawing group, and this electron withdrawing group should be present at the meta or ortho position. Then this nitrogen, it should not be substituted because it will decrease the activity of our drug or of this nifedipine. And the reduction or oxidation of this phenyl ring, it will lead to the decreased activity of the drug. Then last point, this nitro group at the phenyl ring, it is very essential for the anti-anginal action. So this is overall SAR of the calcium channel blockers. The second and sixth position, they are substituted with this methyl group, which shows the agent's duration of action. Then third and fifth position, they have carboxylic group, which is protected with the ester functional group. Then this 1,4-dihydropyridine ring, it is essential for the activity of drug. This nitro group, it is very essential for the anti-anginal action. And this nitrogen, it shouldn't be substituted. And also the reduction or oxidation of the phenyl ring, it will lead to the decreased activity of the drug. This fourth position, or we can say para position, it should be substituted with the aromatic ring or aromatic substitution having electron withdrawing group like chlorine or nitro, and they should be present at the meta or ortho position. We can also draw different structures in the SAR of calcium channel blockers like this. Verapamil, this is a structure of verapamil, which is the drug belonging to the phenylalkylamine class. Diltiazem, it belongs to the benzothiazepine class, and this is felodipine, which belongs to the dihydropyridine class. Thank you.